Good morning, everyone. This is a recording for all the AP history classes, so I'm going to be referring back and forth to Euro and to US. So I will put this on. This will be on both the my YouTube channel. So today is Tuesday, the 19th of May. I'm kind of patiently waiting to get your DBQs back. For those of you who are still taking exams this week, good luck. But this is just an update of our next step forward. So first of all, let's take care of some business. Please remember to submit your review packets, either your rescue packet in Europe or in Euro, or the review packets for APUSH. I've gotten some of those, so please remember to do that. You can refer back to, there is an assignment sheet regarding that on Schoology of what you actually have to submit. So some of you have, but please, let's get that taken care of as quickly as possible. Secondly, a number of you have missing activities, so let's get that wrapped up as well. We have some time here to clean all that up, so let's get that done. Now, I know there was a number of questions regarding the movie assignment. So this is what I decided. The survey that I sent out, that was a disaster. So don't worry about the survey. Just ignore it. I did send out a list of films that have been viewed in the past that I recommend. And this is what I'm going to ask you to do. So I'm going to ask you over the next couple weeks to watch 2 of them of your choice. And the proof of that, basically, the minimal thing is, as you see here in the background, is basically a screenshot or a picture of the movie that you're watching. So I was just playing around. This one is from Amazon. I was playing around. This is a really good movie. It's called Alone in Berlin. And it's a story basically of a father who lost his son and began during the war. He's German, and begins sort of this quiet protest movement. So this was really I just happened to stumble upon it, I think last year, and it was a really good movie. So all you'd have to do, you watch it, send me a screenshot, and you're good. I'm trusting that you're going to do it. For U.S. people, this is one called Green Book. This won the Academy Award a couple years ago. Really gets into Southern segregation and Jim Crow laws. Sort of a buddy movie, but a different thing. It's an interesting movie. I just pulled that up. A classic one for American students is, of course, Band of Brothers. This is 10 parts, but you could watch any or all of them. Very, very good. One of the best World War II shows that I've ever seen. And I'm just looking for my last one here. And many of you, at least the U.S. students, will remember this probably from last year, but I would really, really recommend this to the Euro classes. It's called Conspiracy. This is on Amazon. It is on HBO as well. I don't know if you can find it other places. But it's a movie that goes through the what's called the Wannsee Conference, which was the actual conference where the Nazis said, "This is what we're going to do to the Jews of Europe." So it's different, you know. It's just basically these German guys sitting around a table talking, but it's pretty chilling and pretty scary, so to speak. So there's others on the list, as you see, that I sent yesterday. Again, to reiterate, I do not want you to have to go out and purchase a streaming service. If you don't have access to Netflix or Amazon or whatever, you know, I'm sure there's 100 other ones. Let me know, and I will search through the YouTube. God, I sound old. Search through YouTube, and I'll give you some suggestions, because I know there's some pretty good movies on YouTube as well. that fit the categories. And remember what we're asking for, or what I'm asking for, is a movie that you haven't seen that's somewhat related to the history that you studied of Europe. It kind of touches on the school parameters a little bit. So, and I just want you to enjoy it, and take your learning to something of a where you can, like, oh yeah, I know about that. I've seen that. Get a little bit of background. So that's the goal. We don't need this to be a major thing. It's just something to I don't want to say occupy our time, but it's something to enjoy, to kind of relax and near the end of the year. So if there's any questions or concerns, please let me know. And again, remember, it's 2 movies. Take it from the list. If you don't take it from the list, as you go through Netflix, there's lots of stuff on there just shoot me an email. Well, don't even shoot me an email. If you find something, if something on my list you don't like, find something on your own. Again, if it's relatively appropriate, I think I'll be fine with that. But let's try to get this wrapped up. When you have time. When you have time over the course of the next couple weeks, would be just great. So, questions, comments, let me know. Hopefully you enjoy your time at the movies.